Moving along, let's get to our very own gym correspondent, Johnny Bag of Donuts. Today you're talking about the 3 most common push-up mistakes and how to fix them. Let's dive into it, shall we? What's up, Jordan? Welcome back. Today we are talking the top 3 push-up mistakes that I see at the gym and how to fix them. Now this first one, I call it one pump chump. Last time I saw it, I was this guy I went to college with. His name was Kurt, head of ROTC. He was always instructing people to tell them do this one, where they get down and 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm like, Kurt, what the f are you doing? You're not even doing one full fucking range of motion rep. Start in the top position, control yourself all the way down, and then get back up to the top position. That's one good rep. You don't want to be down here. Kurt, yes sir, okay, f that. All the way down, all the way up. Push-up mistake number 2. I call this one the woodpecker. Gonna explain why. I don't know if you've ever seen this in the gym, but it goes like this. Someone gets in good position, you're like, oh, this fucker's gonna do a good job. Well, they haven't shown you the woodpecker yet. Get in the top position right here, and for some fucking reason, they decide to reach for the fucking floor with their mouth. Right? And they go like this. They don't get a full range like a woodpecker, just like this. I'm like, what the f? You're straining your neck. You're giving me neck pain just from watching you. What's going on unconsciously is you're cheating. You're trying to get that range of motion with your neck rather than full range pecs, shoulders, triceps. I learned that one in anatomy class, all right? Keep your chin tucked just like this. You don't need to be here. That's a little bit ridiculous. Just keep your chin tucked, spine straight, lower all the way down, all the way back up. Kurt would say, good cadet, let's fucking go. Push-up mistake number 3, call this one Viagra Falls. Let me paint a picture for you. You go to the gym because your friend Stuart is following a brand new push-up program to get his summer body. He's like, hey, check this out, new push-up program. You do like 100. And he goes like this. I'm like, fucking Stuart, what the f is wrong with you? That's called Viagra Falls, when you're dragging your dick on the ground and you're doing nothing. Here's the deal. When you want to do a push-up, you want everything in one straight line from your heels to your upper back to your head, everything in one straight line. Rico is filming. He could probably draw a line on me right now to show you how it looks. You don't want to be down here, Viagra falling it, up here, all the way down, all the way back up. That's how you do a good push-up. So, listen, Jordan, I hope this was helpful. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you next week on NBSFN.